Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to explain the previous video I just showed you, in which I showed you how items work inside Enjin through Unity. So let's get into it. Oh my bad, I just need to restart the scene. Yes, it's already open, so let's get into it. Yeah, so as you can see, the scene is currently open. I can click to move my character. Yes, something like that. And when I right click on any of the enemies, I will move towards them. Yes, if I right click on this and press middle mouse button, I will move towards the enemy. So it's just a simple mechanism. Don't worry, don't get confused. We are going to discover how everything is done. It's just a quick walkthrough of how Enjin is working inside. So for example, if I want to kill an enemy with a ranged weapon, so right now you can see I do not have any ranged weapon. I have a mid-range weapon, but I do not have any long-range weapon right now. So how can I get it? I can get it from the marketplace. I just put through it. For example, I want this first spear. Now I just got a request. Now the collectible requests are called mint requests. Yes. So when you mint an item, it get collected into your inventory, and when it is collected in your inventory, then you can consume it to use it inside of your game or to exchange it for some real world currency. Yes. Yes. So I just mint them. So you can see the item is minted. Yeah. I have already set the app to link the items automatically. Yeah, as you can see, auto accept. What auto accept means is after 30 or 60 seconds, the item will be automatically minted. You can unselect them if you have the necessity, but for the test purposes, I am doing it auto accept because it's fast. So you don't have to every time type your password every time you mint or melt an item. Yes. So let's just use the item we have minted. So let's just kill this one. Yes. So I'm going to consume the item. Now you can see immediately I will get the melt request. Now when the item is melted, it will automatically be verified in the game and it will shoot the ice spear. Yes, it's fired and the enemy is there. So okay, now we are out of item. Let's just fight this enemy by our sword. Move towards it, rotate towards it, and yes, so let's fight him. So now we are out of health. Let's just get some health potion into the marketplace. Yes, the health potion. Main deck. It's really fun to do. Like every item you own is you truly own them, unlike the item will only exist in the most of the games only in the game. Like if you go to your wallet and collectibles, you can see this item actually exists. It physically exists. It has a value, and you can exchange it or use it inside the game. It's your choice. You're not bound to use it inside the game. You can use it to get real cryptocurrency. Any cryptocurrency which exists, you can exchange it for that currency. So let's just get a high portion. Okay, and I just got melt request. So the melt the item. Yes, so now our health is full. Hmm. Now let's just kill this enemy with some different sort of weapon. Let's just use a fire spell. Let's just melt the fire spell. Yes. So it's yeah. So as you can see how it works. And one more thing I would like to tell you. You know, for few specific things you need to craft more than one items to get it. Now, for example, if I want to get the currency, I need to craft both gold and a hammer. So I need a gold and a hammer to craft 100 gold. So let's just quickly see how it works. First we have 100. First we craft the gold. Okay, so something just happened and the Unity just got lagged. So I was telling you how you can. No, I was telling you how you need more than one item sometimes to get what you want. Now, as you can see, to get the gold, you do not can do this with only the gold. You also need the hammer. Let's just mint the hammer. If the hammer is minted and its item is added. So now, if I need the money, the gold value, I just going to craft it, and I will get melt request for both of them. So in order to get the gold currency, I need to melt both of them. Melt mean consuming, as I told you before. Item melted. Yes, both of them melted, and our currency changed. So as you can see, this is just a basic demo. Hmm. So I know you people have a lot of questions like how do I check these things up, how it is doing, and why do we have to wait every time we melt the item? Doesn't the enemy just run? We will work through that. I will explain to you everything. Why do we need that? Why can't we use conventional items like we used to have it? What's the benefit of it? This and how this is more fun than that. So stay tuned, and also I apologize for my accent and if anything I did wrong because I am not used to this tutorial stuff, but I hope I will get along with it. Thank you.